What's up, YouTube fam? Nah, seriously, y'all, I'm just playing. I don't know what the fuck I was thinking. So I know it's tax season around. A lot of people's getting tax money, tax refunds, federal income tax refunds. I already talked about what a scam, what a fraud the whole tax thing is, and why federal income taxes should be completely abolished and why nobody should ever fucking pay them. It's really just the government stealing money from you and buying weapons and basically dominating the whole fucking world and then giving you a little bit of it back and making you feel all happy like they did something right. So I'm not going to get into all that again. I kind of just did, but fuck it. So in this video, for the ones that are getting tax return, I want to make a disclaimer. I don't get any tax return. You already, listen, I got to do what I got to do. I got to do my homework with Uncle Sam so I can get my money, at the end of the fucking week or at the end of the 2 weeks that I work. So I don't get any tax refunds. I don't get no tax returns like most, because I get all my money throughout the year. So just put it like that. But for the ones that do get a tax refund every year, don't blow it. This is not me rant. Listen, this video is not going to be another one of my usual rants. I'm not going to be going off. I'm not going to talk about how stupid you motherfuckers are for blowing your money. Which I mean, y'all are if you're blowing your tax money every year. But this is just me giving people advice. I really just want to advise y'all, and I'm going to keep reminding y'all to save your money and invest. Save and invest. The first step is to stack. But to especially a lot of you single mothers and stuff like that, and if y'all getting like $10,000, $20,000, I know some of y'all getting like 20 bands back because you got a whole bunch of fucking kids with no fathers, and I don't, we gonna talk about that too. Matter of fact, I might talk about that shit tomorrow. But when you get this money, like let's say you're a single mom with a bunch of kids, and let's say you're getting like $5,000, $10,000 back for nothing just because you push out a bunch of kids. What you can do, what I would advise you to do with that money is invest it. No, don't give it to your baby daddy to flip it and all that little shit. Unless you got a man in your life that really knows how to budget and manage money. That's the guy you give your tax money to. Most of you women won't. You're gonna give it to Pookie or whoever to flip it, or you're gonna just be a greedy bitch and keep it all to yourself. This is me talking to single moms. The reason I'm talking to single mothers right now, because let's be honest, single mothers get the most tax money back. And I know this is gonna sound sexist. I say a lot of shit that comes off sexist, but I really don't care. Like, women are terrible with money. The reason women can never run the world or ever really run businesses and actually run the world and dominate and be like a president or a leader is because women are fucking terrible with money. You give a bitch $1,000, man, she's gonna blow it. Okay, women are. It's just a fact. I mean, not all women, but 90% of women are terrible with fucking money. Like, you need a man. This is why even prostitutes have to have a pimp, because bitches just can't. They don't know how to handle their money. They get an apartment, they get kicked out, they get a car, they get their fucking car taken because they couldn't pay their car note. They go out and get their hair done when they know they should have paid their rent. Just shit like that. I mean, everybody does that. Because I speak to men most of the time. So when I'm talking about people being irresponsible with their money, people not budgeting, people not saving and stacking their money, I'm mostly talking to these young men out here that's not doing it. And the older men. They get like that when they older because they spent their whole life in their youngers just blowing their fucking money, living day by day, check by check, wiggling. Can barely keep a job because they not really focused on their bag. When you on your bag, you gonna make sure you on time. You gonna make sure you clock out on time. You gonna, what I'm saying? You gonna come back from break on time, all that shit. You gonna follow the rules, whatever you gotta do at work. But so like if you a single mom, just to wrap this up about the single moms, to all you women out there that's getting money, save that shit, man. Invest in something. I don't know what to tell y'all. Y'all seem to don't listen. I've known 5 women in my life who I tried to give them financial advice. I remember giving a bitch money, giving her a nice amount of money and telling her what to do with this money that can change her life, because I was trying to help the bitch and she fucking blew it. So, you know what I'm saying? I get frustrated trying to give women advice about money and shit because they seem to just not fucking care. So You know, after a while, I just stopped caring. But, so that's my only advice. So, listen, to all you single mothers out there who, I got all this money, I'm about to turn up. Before you get your hair and nails done, do something fucking productive with that money. Save it, invest in something, give it to your kids, man. Start a college fund or some shit, I don't know. Now, back to my main audience. You niggas, you motherfuckers. When y'all get this tax money, give a fuck if it's $600, $1,000, $1,500, or fucking $2,000-$3,000. I don't know. It's a lot of single dads out there too. Most single dads already pretty much know how to make it, or else they would never even be a single dad and have custody of their kids if they didn't. But so let's be honest, y'all. When most of you men get y'all tax money, y'all gonna buy outfits. Take this advantage and look at it as a boost. Add this to the money that you're gonna stack at the end of the year. Remember, I told you shouldn't even be getting no tax refunds. You should be getting all your money back from Uncle Sam. Cause the fuck, like, how are you? It's already too hard to survive, the cost of living. I can't afford to pay taxes. This is what it is. When the IRS decides to fuck with me, I have to tell them straight up. I'll spit in their fucking face, yo. I can't afford to give y'all my money so y'all can give me a little bit of it back at the end of the year. I can't afford that. I'm gonna save. I'm gonna do my own saving. I'm gonna put my money up for me. But when y'all get this tax money, y'all don't blow it, y'all. Please don't blow your tax money. Please, I'm begging y'all. Please don't blow your tax money. You're gonna thank me that you didn't. You're gonna thank yourself that you listened to me and didn't do that. You get $1,000. You know, like, if you gotta take care of something, I said, like, you gotta get a car. I realize that, man. Everybody and their mama's gonna buy a fucking car because cars are expensive and nobody, you know, but you should be saving throughout the year, man. So when you get this tax return, add it to your yearly savings, man. And in about 2 more years, holla at me and we'll figure out a plan. That's just what it is. But yeah, man, everybody just gets these tax returns. People just, I mean, every year, man, you get, it's almost like you are kind of saving your money, but it's not you saving it. It's Uncle Sam taking your money and then giving you a little bit of it back. I mean, you know, I guess it's better than not having nothing, but my advice, I'm telling y'all, when you got Uncle Sam taking some of your money and then saving it for you, and even though he's scamming most of it and he's gonna give a little bit of it back or most of it back, however that works, you get take advantage, man. Take that money and actually look at your life and say, what can I do? Listen, bro, you can buy a fucking ounce of weed for $100 and flip it and make $280. I mean, it's 28 grams, right? A gram of weed of your average grade weed is about what, fucking $10. I'm not telling y'all to go out here and sell weed. I'm just saying, it's just like, man, if you got $100 to just blow, invest it, bro. Buy you a little ounce of some fucking mid-grade bullshit weed, and you can find you a little clientele. Sell each, it's 28 grams in an ounce. You just spent $100. Sell each gram for $10. You got $280 because 28 times 10 is 280. Just simple, I don't know, just simple shit like that, you know? You could just keep flipping it all through the year. I mean, you know, it's slow money, but it's better than no money. Slow money's definitely better than no money. So I'm just trying to give y'all a little advice, things that I'm just now kind of learning. I mean, some of the shit I knew, but these are things that I'm really applying more than ever, especially at my age in life and my stage in the game. Yeah, I want to see everybody prosper. I want to see my fans. I want to see the people that watch my channel do good. That's what I'm going to say. The people that actually support me and care about me. I want to see all y'all doing good, man. I want to see all of y'all doing good. To the people that don't like me and don't fuck with me, fuck you, for one. You know what I'm saying? No homo. Or no Diddy, y'all. We going to say no Diddy. From now on, instead of saying no homo, it's no Diddy. All right? But nah, seriously, y'all. Like, to the ones that don't like me, you know, fuck y'all and no Diddy. But even then, you can still take this advice. Even if you don't like me, I'm still giving you very, very valuable advice. So I would still take that advice and run with it. It's the last time I'm gonna really just be giving y'all free game. Well, no, I'm lying, because I'm gonna be giving a lot of game on this channel. But with the tax return thing, it's just, I just felt it was appropriate to come up with this now to talk about this. You know, so yeah, y'all, tomorrow, y'all know I freestyle this video just like always. Tomorrow, shit, yeah, I guess I'm gonna talk about government assistance and some shit like that. So, you know, and I just got off a 3-day water fast. I know it's Ramadan, but I don't fuck with Ramadan. And the reason why, I'm gonna tell y'all next week. I'm gonna start again Monday with a new topic, but I'm gonna be kind of getting on these. I'm gonna try to do like 2 videos on one day, stuff like that, man. You know, about to be working with my bro Preacher Reed here soon. About to cash him out so he can go ahead and teach me some shit. You know what I'm saying? Games to be sold, not told. And listen, man, we networking out here. We doing it, y'all. Using our money wisely. Again, I don't get a tax return. I save my money all through the fucking year myself. But to the ones that's getting a tax return, please save and invest, y'all. Save, don't blow it. Please don't blow your tax money. Please don't blow it. All right? I will see y'all tomorrow. Have a good day. It's nice outside. Peace.